Today we're going to be working on dividing a whole number by a whole number to get a fraction. So we're starting with a story problem. Two after-school sports clubs are having pizza parties. For the soccer club, the coach will order 3 pizzas for every 6 students. For the running club, the coach will order 6 pizzas for every 8 students. Since you are in both groups, you need to decide which party to attend. How much pizza do you get at each party? If you want to have the most pizza, which party should you attend? So I'm going to start by creating a T-chart. And this is going to help me stay organized within my problem. So I'm going to start with the soccer club over here. And I'm going to start with the running club over here. So I know that the soccer club, the coach is ordering 3 pizzas for every 6 students. So I'm going to draw 3 pizzas. In the easiest way to divide pizzas in my mind for this problem, we are going to divide each pizza into 6 pieces so that every student gets 1 slice from each pizza. So the first pizza is now divided into 6 pieces. The second pizza is divided into 6 pieces. And the third pizza is divided into 6 pieces. Now, one person is going to get 1 slice from the first pizza, 1 slice from the second pizza, and 1 slice from the third pizza. To determine how much pizza that student has been able to eat in all, I need to add these fractions together. So I know that he's eaten 1/6 from the first pizza, 1/6 from the second pizza, and 1/6 from the third pizza. When adding those together, I know that my whole stays the same, so my denominator does not change. The amount of slices that I have in each pizza does not change. What is going to change is the amount of pieces that the student is able to eat. So he's able to eat 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. He's able to eat 3 slices out of 6 slices in a whole. Now, there's another way I can look at this. If I take these slices that he's eaten out and I move them into one pizza, let's put that over there. I know that he is eating half of the pizza. So I know that 3/6 is equivalent to half. 3 is half of 6, so I know it's equivalent to half. So if he were joining the soccer club pizza party, he would be able to eat half of a pizza, or 3/6 of a pizza. Now, starting with the running club. In the running club, the coach is going to order 6 pizzas for every 8 students. So I'm going to draw 6 pizzas. And I'm going to divide them into 8 pieces each so that each student gets 1 slice from each pizza. Now I'm going to color in 1 slice from each pizza, which represents the 1 slice that each student will be able to eat. So one student will eat that slice out of that pizza, that slice out of the second pizza, a slice out of the third pizza, a slice out of the fourth pizza, a slice out of the fifth pizza, and a slice out of the sixth pizza. So to determine how much that student was able to eat all together, now we need to add the amount of slices that he ate from each pizza. We have 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Now, the denominator always again represents how many pieces are in a whole. That does not change. There are still 8 pieces in every pizza, regardless of how much he eats. So that doesn't change. The denominator is 8. But what does change is the amount of slices he's eating. So we're going to add 1 plus 1/8 is 2/8, plus another 1/8 is 3/8, plus another 1/8 is 4/8, plus 1/8 is 5/8, plus 1/8 is 6/8. So he is able to eat 6/8 of a pizza if he attends the running club party. Now the last section is, if you want to have the most pizza, which party should you attend? There are a couple of ways you can look at it. First thing you can do is look at 3/6 and 3/8. And I'm going to write this in a separate color so that you can see it. Let's do this in black. I'm going to write it up here. We can either cross multiply to see which is more. So I'm going to take 3/6 and I'm going to put 6/8 and I'm going to cross multiply. In order to do that, I start at the bottom and I cross multiply to the top. So 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 3 is 24. Since 36 is larger than 24, I know that this fraction is larger, and I know that he'll be able to eat more in the running club. Another way you can look at it is, you know that the soccer team is 1/2. He's able to eat 1/2 of a slice of pizza. You can figure out that 6/8 is more or less than 1/2 by determining what is equivalent to 1/2 in eighths. So if I have 8 slices, what is going to be 1/2 of 8? Well, I know that 8 slices, 4 slices would be half of 8. So I need to look at it like this. Is 6/8 larger or smaller than 4/8? Of course it's larger, so we know that 6/8 is larger than 4/8 by turning the two fractions into the same with the same denominator.